Alright guys, finally back on it with Grant. It's been a while. We had a couple hip mishaps with it was already mouldy to be fair. Yeah, we had a couple mishaps with Copart. We got the V5 and it said it was a Cat S, even though we got sort of Cat N. They rectified it, now it's back to a Cat N again. Probably should have been a Cat S, but they obviously didn't want the van back, so they thought we'll contact the insurance company and tell them to change it, and they did. So yeah, we stuck with it, but oh well. I'm gonna take it to a body shop now because I don't want to attempt to do any of that. You know, it's safer to let a professional do it. Grant's got a new badge for some reason, so he's gonna put that on. He thought that was important, didn't you? Mm-hmm. Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna take it to the body shop, get some quotes, just leave it with them. They're gonna fix it, whatever it is, I guess. Yeah. So hopefully, next time we see the van, we'll have a nice badge there in a second. That damage will be done. This damage should hopefully be done. I don't know though. All this will be sorted. That door hopefully as well, if they can fix it. I feel like they could. I don't know. I'm not an expert in that. And then when it gets back, we can service it, change the shocks, replace this, do all the MOT items that we had last time, and get it MOT'd again, and get it sold or use it for a bit probably, and then sell it. Got the E46 frame action again. Finally, still need a clutch like, but yeah. So we'll get this all sorted, started up on that, and drive it to the body shop. Alright, so it's been about, what, a month maybe? Yeah. Let's see if it starts right up. That went, oh wait, oh. We try to give it a tiny bit of throttle, sometimes it does out. I don't think it will, but go on. Right, we'll get a jumper on it. Right, we've got a jumper on it. See if it starts up. Easy. Alright, we're in a little convoy here. Let's go to the body shop then. Just thought I'd show you this is our new stock. Our old one, wasn't that? It's the old one with all the thing. Basically, I'll just show you because it's kind of simple. We bought a whole clock spring and everything because we had to, but you can literally, there's two 8mm torques that go in there. You unscrew both of them. There's little like things you press on, isn't there? Yeah, these two, you just press on them. You pull it out, and then put this new one in. Nope.
And that's it in.
Let it in, and then you just screw them back in with these two little T8s. But yeah, I'll just show you that. Alright guys, finally got the van back. As you can see, this big old scratch here is gone, or dent, whatever you want to call it. They've repainted this like bottom section. We thought they were doing the whole thing, but yeah. This back door's still got a couple dents here. That's the one he's doing, but as you can see, this side is absolutely spot on now. We've got a new door, which was spot on. They just repainted it, and they fixed all the damage around here. A bit of overspray around there and stuff, but yeah, I mean, it doesn't sound like there's much filler in it, to be fair. I think we've done a really good job of pulling most of it out, just giving it a little skim. There was some damage back here as well. Yeah, that's that all sorted. I think that was like £2 or something. Which I don't think is terrible, not great, but yeah, quite happy with it. Now we're just getting some shit done we need for the MOT, which is the rear shocks, and there was a wheel bearing as well. Right, got this rear shock up. It was really difficult to get this bolt out, and I think it's probably because this is bent. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's got quite an angle to it. I assume from the accident. So yeah, got the new one here. We'll put that in, and then we'll do the same for the other side. Basically just 2 bolts, one at the bottom, one at the top. I think the 18mm sockets. So yeah, get this changed over. Do the same on the other side. Do the front wheel bearing. We've already did the clock spring. Not the clock spring, the don't know if you remember the indicator stalk. Was goosed. It was goosed. We changed that. You can literally. I made a little video, I think, when we're doing it, just how you do it. It's like 2 screws, pretty simple. There's the old one. Did the air filter on that. So yeah, get this changed over. Happy days. Grant said he's going to use that one in his van because it's solid, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
That'll go again. That it's beautiful. It's just bent in half at the rear, just straight in. Yeah, pretty clean under here, to be fair. I mean, you know, it's not old, is it? But well, it is actually 4, 5, 6, 7-year-old or something. Yeah, it's pretty clean. So get that one back on. Jack that side up. Do that one. All right, guys. This is the other side. That one is also bent. Look at the state of it. I don't know what's happened there. Like, here's a new one. We've got that side in. Took you 2 minutes, didn't it, Grant?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Easy, light work. So we'll get this one in now.
Wheel bearing should only take about 3 weeks.
3 minutes. So then we get this one in, and then we tackle the easy job of this wheel bearing, I imagine. Grant's just filing his nails. Right then. Alright, we just compressed one of them, and it literally, they're not even moving. Okay, that right one is a little bit. That one isn't. That one is a tiny bit.
Oh.
They are solid. This one, though, the new one. Push it right in. And it comes back out. Is it good, that?
No, I'm just being assaulted.
Right, we've got the left one in now, we just need to tighten it up. Put it back on the ground and then tighten it in position. Right one's on. And we'll move on to the front now. Right, we've just loosened that bolt. We have that long bar on it. This bar on it.
About 100 kilos on top of it.
Grant on top of it, about 100 kilo. Stamping on it, and it finally came loose. That was a tricky one, that. Finally got that off. Just got the new one in here. So, get on, remove everything. All the brake discs, caliper, lower ball joint properly. Move it all and put it in. Right, so remove this big beast. See how rusty it was. It wasn't actually terrible when we've got good technique. We tried the pulling bar, but that was not doing anything. We end up using the attachment off the pulling bar. Put that through there. Attached this to the other side. And then just tightened this onto the back of the disc. Put this in the way so it didn't mark the disc. And it came right off within seconds. So just clean this area up now. Remove this contraption. Get the disc off. Put on the new one. It could do with some new disc and pads, but there's no like grooves or anything in it, and there's hardly a lip. It's like a half a mil. They're just a bit rusty, but yeah. So clean this back up, put the new one on, and that should be good to go, hopefully. Doesn't sound too good. It's also got a lot of play in it, but yeah. Get the new one on. There we go. We got all them 14s in, I think it was. Torques. They're all in. It's all held onto the knuckle nicely. So just putting this big beast back on. That probably takes like 400 or something, I don't know. I might have to put the caliper on that one.
Can you tighten them?
I did it with the gun. I took it off with the gun. We can have a little tie in with the ratchet in a sec. I'll have to wait till the disc is on. I mean the caliper. But yeah, got that one on. So finish this up. Alright guys, take that out. We've got all this now tightened back up. Everything's as it should be. We re-greased the sliding pins. Just one little there. Yeah, wheel bearings on. We just need to put the wheel back on. Just having a little clean up. But yeah, van's pretty much sorted. There's a rear light we need to mess with and fix. But you can see it just looks a million times better now. I think we're going to use this fan for a little bit and then probably sell it. But yeah, this is probably the end of this video, I imagine. We still need to obviously, we're going to do the wet belt on it. I don't know if we're going to do it or get someone else to change the oil and everything, but wait till the wet belt's done obviously, because they'll do that anyway while they're doing it. So yeah, this damage is all gone. Grant moves a sec so I can shut this door. I'll grab the keys. Looks just a million times better. Seal underneath now. Yeah, he's done a pretty good job. Not the best, but because we thought he was going to paint all of it, but never mind. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.